Morning, dear students. How are you? Maybe you all are fine. So let's start. As you all know that Neha ma'am is taking your maths class, but I request to her that now this week I will take your class and I will teach you, that is chapter 6, square and square root. Square and square root. So first we will discuss about a square. What is a square? Square means power 2. Okay, when any number can be expressed as the product of the number with itself, like 1 square, power of 1 is 2. 1 square means 1 into 1. 2 square means 2 into 2. 3 square means 3 into 3. So they are, when any number is multiplied by themselves, then it is known as the square of that number. If we will tell 1 square, the value of 1 square is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Value of 2 square is 4 and value of 3 square will be 9. 1, 4, 9 are known as square numbers. Okay. If any natural number m can be expressed as n square, m can be number like 1. M is a 1 and m is a square of 1 also. And if any natural number m can be expressed as n square, because 1 can be expressed as 1 square, 4 can be expressed as 2 square and 9 can be expressed as 3 square. Okay. So when any natural number m can be expressed as n square, then n is also a natural number, then m is a square number. So here what we will say, 1, 4, 9 are square number. Square of any number means, I have told you, the product of the number with itself. 2 square means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 7 square means, we can read it like that, 7 square, or square of 7 also. Okay, 7 into 7, 49. The square of numbers from 1 to 20, I have noted 25, I have noted down here. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100, 11 square is 121, 12 square is 1, like that. If we will look the above number, what we will see? We will see the digits are ending with 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. देखिए 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Other are coming? No. Only this number. So if we will look the above number, we noted that the square of number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So we can say that if a number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then it must be a square number. If without checking, suppose I am giving you number 545, I am asking to you, it can be a square number or not? So you will look at last unit digit. 5 is coming, so it must be, it can be. But it is not sure, because when we will calculate it. But after seeing the number, if anyone will ask it is a square number or not, so what we will see? We will see the end one. If 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 will come, then it must be a square number. Like that. Now look at here. 1 square is 1, 9 square is 81, 11 square is 121, 19 square is 361, 21 square is 441. If a number has 1 or 9 in unit place, see, 1 in unit place or 9, so it will end with 1. It will end with 1. If a number has 1 or 9, it's at unit place, at the last, then the square of that number will end with 1. Okay. See the other numbers, look at here. Square of 4 is 16, 6, 36, 14, 96, 16, 256, 24, 576, 26. If we will look in both the series, so 4 or 6, if a number will end, if a number have a unit digit 4 or 6, so it will end with 6. Look at here. In every square, 6 is coming at last. So look, when a square number ends in 6, the number whose square it is, it must be either 4 or 6. तो it's in the number have in a unit place 4 or 6. The first one I told you, if the number will end with 1, the square of any number will end with 1, so what can be the numbers? The unit place of the numbers will be 1 or 9. If it will end at 6, so numbers can be at last in unit place 4 or 6 digit can come. If you will look here, 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49, 13 square is 169. We will see in every square unit in unit place 9 is coming, and here we will see 3 and 7 is coming. When a square number will end with 9, so we can say that it must be a square of a number whose unit digit is 3 or either 3 or 7. If when a square number ends in 9, so it's the number whose square it is will have either in unit place will have either 3 or 7. 1 will come, so what it will be? 1 and 9. If 6 is coming, so what will be there? 4 or 6. If 9 is coming at last, so what can be? 3 or 7 in the unit place. So I have told you two things today, the how, what is a square, and how can we check that is a square or not. When it will be a square? When the number will ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then it must be a square number. If in unit place these number will not come, so it can't be a square number. Then I have told you, if in any number the square of in any number 1 is coming, so it means it is a square of a number whose in which in unit place 1 and 9 can come. If it will end with 6, so 4 and 6 can come. If it end with 9, so 3 or 7 can come in the place of unit number. Okay bachcha, so I am sending you some questions, so you will complete that questions. Okay, so do it today only and send the work in my personal number.